How to view or clear saved system tracing files on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and open up developer options. Next, we scroll down, then tap on system tracing. Now in here, scroll down, and this will allow you to view save files. So tap on view save files, then select files. Now in here, open up the trace file. And you need to use the right application to open it. So here I'm going to select log. And in here you can see the files is encrypted. If you don't have the right application, you will not be able to make any sense of the data in the trace file. And that's it. Now to clear the file, tap on clear save files and then tap on clear. And that's it. After tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.